Welcome to Torque Sport.
Right, so as I was stating in the last video, I'm going to be showing you now what our next project will be on the channel. So I'll start by saying this car cost a massive £360 and needed, I think it's probably like another $300-400 spent on it just to get it MOTable, which was basically just brakes all round and some wishbones and little suspension bits and bobs. So yeah, I'll turn around now and I'll show you exactly what it is. 2007 Honda CRV, originally started with a K20 engine, but the plan is to go K24 A3 turbo. So if there's anything you want us to do with it, or you have any recommendations of what to do with it, then please let us know in the comments or message us on Instagram, things like that. So yeah, I'll now show you the car a bit better. So here is our £360 Honda CRV. Like I said before, it starts life as a K20 with 150 horsepower, I believe. But yeah, that's not the plan. So we have a K24 A3 that we're going to be putting in with the future plans to turbocharge it. Not sure exactly what power we're going to aim for, but yes, we're also going to put a Land Rover Discovery prop and viscous coupler in, which we also have, into like a diff, Honda CRV diff with the plates in to make it basically permanent four-wheel drive. But yeah, as you see, it's very standard looking. Not bad condition really for 360 quid. As you can see here, the monstrous K20 engine that it comes with from factory. Yeah, there's a lot of room in there for a massive turbo kit, as you can see at the back there. But yeah, that's basically the basic plans. You'll see more videos on this soonish, where we're going to be doing the suspension, wheels, and getting all of that ready first, because that's just a bit more important to tidy up and get ready than just adding loads of power. Now, I guess the plan will be somewhere around 500 to 700 perhaps in the long-term future. You can also see here the monstrous exhaust. It's probably like a 2-inch, barely even that. You know, look at the massive pipe here at the front. Quality that. But yeah, it's not too rusty or anything underneath, just a little bit of surface like all Hondas really. But yeah, that is the basic plan with this car. Obviously you'll know more as we do more videos. Now in regards with the CRV video, so yeah, I've basically given you a bit of basic knowledge as to what we're going to do with it. Sort of K24 turbo and all of that. But before we conclude the video, would you like to see some 30 to 70s on a stock CRV? Of course you do. And here they are. So we're now in the CRV, we're going to do a 30 to 70 run, stock form, see the ultimate speed. So we're about to start the run. Speed. Right, yeah. $70. 9.69 with a minus 3.7% slope. It's a downhill. Spin. 0 to 60 is 11.9. But when you change out of second there, you're doing 58. So you're 2 miles an hour more and you'd be in it in second. Well, 11.97 first 0 to 60. The power. Oh no, you just didn't do it. You got to 59.
What a bastard. 59 is second.
Well, that'd be quicker because even stopping you got a 12.4. Oh, I reckon that'd have been 10-second that time.
God.
Interestingly, you'll see here the 60 foot measured on that 0 to 60 run was 2.45, which is actually pretty impressive when you consider it's a Honda CRV that probably weighs, I don't know exactly, but circa 1,500 kilos, I guess. And like I say, with 150 horsepower, it's pretty impressive. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Leave a like, comment anything you'd like to see us do to it down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.